sir.
Thank you, sir.
Let me open the door for you.
Kings.
What are we doing today?
We're just gonna go look at some cars. So I heard they're having a big sale, 50% off.
Oh, 50% off.
So,
Okay,
you
okay.
know, buy one for me, one for you. Buy one, get one.
He's gonna buy one, you know?
Alright, where are we going?
Just walk around. Dang, it's hella sunny. Was that Lambo? I'm a real freak. I need a real freak. Are you a freak?
I'm a good boy.
We're doing the car limbo right now.
Here come the cars.
Oh shit, look at that Evo. That's pretty nice.
This?
Right there.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
The white one?
Yeah, that one. It's clean, dude. It's clean. Dude, you're disqualified. Did that vape touch the dog?
Damn. Yeah, we were just saying the white one
I think that's a 10.
from Ohio, bro.
But I heard that you, like, if you're gonna get it, you want to get the 8 or 9. The 10 is a different.
No, you can still push.
Don't sleep.
Please, this is clean.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What a lot of girls. Like, diving
Uh-oh. You good, brother?
Put down a sub. Dude, I like that. Yo, but that EG hash though, those are pretty clean. If you got one of those, that'd be pretty sick.
Oh, something's scraping, man.
I like that song. Bro, if you stall out of this line, it's like you lost because of that.
We just finished watching the Limbo. I got bored, but yo, check out Jimmy's car, Mr. Aaron Zhao's car, and more whips. Just gonna walk around right now. Yo, Miata right here. Say hi to YouTube.
I like this a lot. Kenny.
Beautiful sunset today.
This, with this light, it's clean.
But yeah, we're at what's this place called again? UTI,
Something like that.
Universal Technical Institute. So it's like a technical school. Monster truck.
Wait, I think this company should maybe stall out your
Oh, we'll go over there. Dude, my boys keep on telling me to buy one of these. Should I do it?
It's cheap. Fast power, man.
3,000. Oh, dude, these, I didn't want to do that. The M550 was pretty dope too. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Ooh, I'm digging this Rex. Got the Hyundais in the back. Oh, you got Corvette. You want? There's a Corvette back there.
This is nice too. This one. These retro.
Clean color. Retro BMW. Oh, okay.
I get it for. I told you,
GTI over there.
would you get a detachable steering wheel though? Yeah.
I would get one.
Let's do it. I just like bring to school like, yo, what's that? Yo, my steering wheel. Just keep it on the side. Yeah. You know the thing about my FRS is there's no controls on the wheel anyway. So
You
I
want
can just stick it
Genesis right there?
on. I'm surprised the Apprentice isn't here.
Oh no.
Oh, V06. This is a Hyundai Pia. Are they racing?
Oh no, the Hyundai meet.
The Hyundai Pia.
Ooh, I'm liking these wheels. Sad Boys for Days. Eliminate. Shout out to them. Eliminate.
Oh shit, dude. Honestly.
Damn, Ed's like, I should have bought this car, bro. Yeah, I just got a meme right there.
No, it's true though, because the thing about the turbos is
Oh, GTI.
Miata.
Don't sleep on the U-Haul, baby.
oh yeah, dude, don't sleep on the U-Haul truck. You get your package. Oh, yo, he had a. That's so funny. He took off his hard top.
This one's Aaron's. You leaving? Alright, see you. Goodbye, sir.
Hey, look at that wheel. Look at that wheel. Be a real man. Drive with the wrench. Right?
See you.
What did you drop on there?
A lot, dude. At least 20 grand.
Dang, we should have came earlier. I don't want to come early because like there's gonna be mad people.
Waiting to get in.
Lee Tech. Hey, next mod, right? Just kidding. No more mods.
For Kenny.
Just kidding. No more mods. Hey, Marco, this could be you. Dang, you see that BMW over there? Right there. Right there. Yeah, it's clean.
Where?
Right there. That one. It's nice, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's
Dude, see, I just love it when they pop up. That's how you pull up to a V.
why does it look
If I was
broken?
gonna pick up a car, that's what I would do. I think that one's good.
Dang, the Honda boy's coming in.
Like, if I go out of state to pick up, I would go. You see that GoPro mounted on top of that blue Civic right there? That's what I want to do.
I don't like that.
Because when we're like filming, like going fast and stuff,
I'd rather put someone else. I'd rather put it like on the back.
yeah. Well, I'm saying like mounted.
Yeah. Oh, look at that dog.